Customers all over the world value sustainability. They want to preserve the planet for future generations. And if it's important to your customers, it's important to you. You can show them you care about sustainability with reusable packaging from FedEx. The FedEx Reusable Pack is a simple option that helps reduce waste while giving your recipient more flexibility in their shipping. Our reusable packs come in a variety of sizes and are durable enough to handle 2 trips. Each pack comes with 2 adhesive strips. You'll use the first to seal the pack when making your shipment. The second strip makes it easy for your recipient to reuse the packaging, whether they're returning the item or using the packaging for their own shipment. Instructions for reusing the pack are printed on the front to make it easier for your recipients. While each reusable pack must be sent initially using our expedited shipping services, the packaging can be used for expedited or standard shipments on the second trip. Alongside our goal of carbon-neutral operations by 2040, the reusable pack is yet another way we're working to help protect the environment. You can learn more about the packs at fedex.com/sustainable packaging.